Are you there?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, I am giving top one are the addresses. Okay, I am not giving in box. Top one is the addresses and below one the number or value. It's clear. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible or not?
Sir, visible, sir.
Visible, na? So first address A1, the value is
5.
what is the value?
5.
5. Then
Seven.
7.
who is singing?
Sir.
Who is singing? Some people are making noise, na? So tell them not to make noise. This two part is clear or what? Top one is address, below one is the value. I am not putting in array format. I am not putting in this format. I am putting just this way. Is it clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these are the random number. They are not in sequence. Or lower to higher or higher to lower, isn't it? These are the random number. For this example, I pick up 8 number. What is the maximum address? A8. Okay. Now what to do? First, if I apply the previous logic, last class I have given big equal to A1, isn't it? Then I compare big with the second element I plus 1 or I start from 2. So by going through that, what we should do? Out of this number, I can pick up which number? Only one number, that is greater. In this case, which is greater? In this case, which is greater number?
9.
9. So by using the earlier algorithm, you can pick up only 9. Now what we have to do? Next, we have to go for the next higher number. What is the next higher number?
4.
4, not 4.
9.
This is first is 9, second is what is this?
7.
This one.
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Just wait. Next one is your 7. Okay. Now to go for the next number, I have to repeat the same algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Just wait.
Back.
After first, if you apply once the previous algorithm, you can pick up the first larger number. If you repeat it second time, second larger number. If you repeat it again, then next larger number. Means that algorithm I have to repeat how many times? How many addresses is there?
8.
8. So that algorithm, if you repeat 8 times, then you can go for all the higher to lower number, like this way. Are you getting some concept?
Oh.
No. If this is the number, random number, our main intention is to find the highest number. To find the highest number, we have to use the previous algorithm. If you want to find only one.
Yes.
But here what to do? We have to find all the higher to lower. So all the elements. So once I repeat this, that algorithm one time, then I can go for the larger number 9. If I repeat it twice, I can go for 7. If I repeat it thrice, then next higher number. Repeat it again, next higher number means I have to go for how many times?
8 times.
9, 8, 7. Alright.
सर
Alright.
फिर से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
Talam. Talam.
You're getting na? No.
Sir,
I
your
having
video
how many
is disconnected.
number here? What video?
Sir, it's
Now?
Yes, sir.
Coming?
Yes, sir.
No.
Coming.
No,
Video is not coming. Coming na?
No,
no,
sir.
no, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes,
No.
sir. No.
No, sir.
Now?
No.
No.
Nine.
So if I repeat the previous program one time, so first higher element will be what? 9. If I repeat it again, then next higher element will be 7. If I repeat it again, next higher element is 4. Likewise, it will come over here,
Okay.
isn't it?
Hmm.
Means I
Yes.
having 8 elements, so I have to repeat that program how many times?
8 times.
8 times.
8
Are you
times.
getting? So if I repeat 8 times, first time, out of 8, how many is out? If I repeat
One.
the algorithm first time, out
Oh,
of 8, how many will remaining?
7,
7. If I repeat it again,
6,
6 means once one number is out, then number of element will be decreased by 1. So this is the scenario, you see. Okay.
Okay.
Huh? First time I having 8 element. Next this become 7.
8,
Next this become 5,
6,
4, 3, 2. Finally it go to 1.
1.
Means the previous algorithm, how many times I have to repeat? To find only one bigger number in the previous algorithm, how many times I have to repeat?
8.
8 times. And in this case, how many times I have to repeat?
Hello.
9.
8 times. This will be I value and this will be J value.
J.
Okay. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Means the scenario is
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
Raj.
now make it zoom. For I equal to 1, there will be what? If they are having 8 element, 8 times. For I equal to 2, they will repeat. How many times?
7,
Times.
7.
7. For 3,
6,
for 4,
5, 5,
Okay, so it will gradually decrease. Finally, it become 1. Means once I equal to 1, j will be same first time. I equal to 1 means the all the element. Next j equal to I equal to 2 means j will reduce by 1. So which for loop will work for this? Can you write the for loop? Because we need 2 for loop. One is I for another is j. Are you getting? We need 2 for loop. One is for I, another is for j. So I become 1 means it will first time go for 8. I become 2 means it will reduce by 1. I become 3 means it will reduce by again 1. So can you write down the for loop so that I can go for this table? Right? You need 2 for loop. And what will be the structure? Because you know, if I put this for loop, what will be the table? So this is the structure, isn't it? If I put these 2 for loop, this is the structure. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
It's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
If I put these 2 for loop, I1 to 4, J1 to 4. So for I equal to 1, J will repeat 4 times. I equal to 2, J will repeat 4 times. 3, 4 times, 4, 4 times. Okay? Now, to get this
Nice.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Sir, your internet connection is not good, I guess.
I
Not
think it's
good.
okay. Are you is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Visible. You see, if
Yes,
I
sir.
put this, if I put these 2 for loop, okay, this is clear, na? I equal to 1, I less than 4, I plus
Yes,
plus.
yes, yes.
J equal to 1, J less than 4, J plus plus. This is clear?
Yes.
If this is the 2 consecutive for loop, and this is the table, corresponding table, okay?
Yes.
This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is that if this is the table, okay, if this is the table, though, what is the corresponding for loop? You see, in this table, what happened? 1, it will go for maximum 8, 2, reduced by 1, 3, reduced by another 1, 4, reduced by another 1. So what for loop I have to put over here? It is clear that first for loop required 1 to 8 maximum. Okay? First for loop, I repeat how many? You see? How many times?
8.
5.
8.
Eight.
So first loop for I equal to 1, I less than 8, I plus plus. In the case of J, what to do?
So I minus J minus minus.
Hmm?
J equals to I.
J minus
J equal to 1, J less than
8.
8.
J less
8
than equals to 8.
less than equal to.
less than. If you put less than equal to 8, every time J will be 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, like this one. Are you getting? Here J is less than 4, I is less than 4. So I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and J repeat 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
J equals to
You
8.
just
J
try to
equals to J
understand the
minus 1.
differences.
So J
In
equals
this
to 8.
case, tell for J equal to
J equal to 8. J greater than equal to 1.
for I equal to
Wow.
1, I less than 8, I plus plus. For J equal to
8.
what? 1, J less than
8.
8.
8 minus 1.
J less than 8 or what?
J equals to 8.
So
J
J equals to
less
8.
than equals to I.
Because I
Greater
have to go for this structure. Be careful.
Greater
Every
than-
time it will reduce by 1.
8
J
minus
equals
1.
to 8. J less than equals to
So J
Oh.
greater than equal to
1. I.
8 minus 1.
J greater than equals to J minus minus.
Greater than. Simple
J greater
logic.
than
Just
equals
try.
to
Every time I have to reduce by 1. So whose value is increased by 1? In this loop, whose value is increased by
I.
1?
I.
I. So if I make it 8 minus I, then what happens? Will it work?
Decrease by 1.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा समझ
If
गया
I
समझ
make it 8 minus I, will it work?
Say 8 minus 1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Now you see. It's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Concept is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Concept is clear. Okay. Now, next
Yes,
point
sir.
is that in earlier case, we are finding what? How many value? In earlier
What?
algorithm, we are looking for how many value?
Single value.
One.
Single value. That's why I am using big. One variable big. But in this case, how many value required?
8.
8.
If we have 8 elements, then how many output will be there?
8.
8, because I having 8 elements in ascending or descending order, output will be 8, isn't it?
Yes.
If I having
Yes,
10
sir.
elements in ascending or descending, output again 10. Okay. For that purpose, here big variable is not required. Okay. Because big is used for single number. But in this case, I having more than one number. So you can't put big. And once you put big means it will display only one number. But we have to display all the number. Now what to do? I have to conseq the first element of the array with the second element. How to check? First element of the array with the second element. With the help of address. How to check? If this is the array, I want to check the first element with the second element. How to check? As you did in earlier, first element is available where?
A1.
A1. Second element is available where?
A2.
8.
A2. So if A1 is greater than equal to or greater than equal A2, okay. If first element I want to compare with the second one, so A1 is greater than A2. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So I am doing
Yes,
that
sir.
one here only. I make it if
Oh.
AJ is greater than AJ plus 1. Will it work? Because I can't use I.
No.
I is the upper loop. And I is used for this purpose, not for ascending or descending order. So below 1 is j, so I am using j over here. Okay, 2 for loop is there. So first one is for this purpose. For finding the getter, j is required. So the first element is available where? A, j is what initially? What is the initial value of j?
1.
1.
1. Then aj plus 1. Aj plus 1 means 1 plus
2. 1 plus 1.
1.
means 2. So the first element is compared with the second element. It's clear?
Second.
Yes, sir.
This is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if this is true, keep it as it is. Otherwise, exchange it. Now I am putting the same logic as I did earlier. Earlier I used to put the first value in big, but in this case the first value is available where? Is it?
Yes, sir.
If you compare with the previous algorithm, earlier first value is available in big, okay, but in this case first value is available in A1. So A1 means AJ. J is the first value. J first value is equal to what? 1.
1.
So temp hold the first value is equal to the second value. Then second value is available in temp. Means I access the data. It's clear?
Corona.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Concept is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Here big is not required because we are not looking for single number. We are looking for more than one number, that is 8 number. So big is not required. So instead of big, I use the first address, that is AJ. AJ means j equal to 1, A1. The second number is AJ plus 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. First address compared with the second address. If it is correct, then keep it as it is. Otherwise, exchange the data. Okay? Then what happened? I first turn is over. Then for next number, first big is out. After repeating this, j equal to 1. For I equal to 2, j will repeat how many times?
4.
You see, j will repeat up to how many times? 1 to
4.
8 minus I. 8 minus I. What is the I value?
1.
1. So it will repeat up to 7. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
This part is over. Then I become 2. 2 means 8 minus 2. 6. It will repeat 6 times because 6 element will be there. So 6 element, then again repeat it, 5 element. So one bigger is out from the array. And finally, we have to store it where? How many number? To tell how many number you want to display. Huh?
8.
Output will be how many number?
8.
8.
8. So you have to generate 8 different
8.
addresses. Okay. To generate 8 different addresses, what to do? To generate 8 different addresses, what to do?
Sir, for loop.
Again, we require one for loop. So for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 8, I plus plus, printf AI. So this is a program where I have not put the declaration of variable and input array. Okay, the logic is this. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Check कर लेंगे.
Sir, in the for loop, I
So here you
is
see.
less than equal to 4. Sir, but at the
Where?
end it is I is less than equal to 8. Sir, I guess
No,
there's
everywhere 8 is. Acha. Make it 8. It's not problem. Generally, this value should be random value. N. You have to put N. Before that, you have to input N. You know that part, no?
yes, sir.
This should be N, input N. So if you put N 100, it will go for 100 times. If you put N equal to 50, it will repeat for 50 elements. So that you can vary later on. Okay. And generally, you have to use N, not 4, 5, 10, 6, like this way. Always use N. And this value will be replaced by N. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is all about the basic part. Now some part you have to go. So you have to generate this thing by using for loop. Maybe 2 consecutive for loop, maybe 3 consecutive for loop. You just practice. This is called Pascal triangle. It's visible, no?
Yes, sir.
By using for loop, combination of for loop, you can manage this one. And this is called Pascal triangle. Once you put value, it will go like this way. Once you put star, it will go like this way. And then try to make it half. Half means only this part. Okay? Or this part. Only half part. I'll make it rotate. Bring one down and raise up. And this is nothing but combination of for loop. And the next you try for multiplication table by using for loop. You know multiplication table?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just try it for multiplication table. This is also combination of for loop. Okay. Now tell me any doubts regarding this, because I am not going to start the next topics. Next class I will start, and this is all about the fundamental of for loop. And if you having doubts, just you can ask. Huh? No, if you having query, just you can ask.
Sir, clear, sir.
No doubt. Huh?
Whoa.
No, if you know the you don't have problem, then I can stop here itself, no?
Sir, sir, can you please send the send your board to the group? Sir, we didn't write in the video.
Okay. Up to which portion I have given to you?
Sir, only you have given the first class.
First class up to which portion? Can you give me the exact so that I can go for the next part? No, arrays, starting from array.
Sir, IJKS1, sir.
IJKS. addition of array in the first class?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes.
You are talking this one.
Yes, sir.
Addition.
I have given, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one.
Sir, from here you have to send us.
Aside from here, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
I will send it to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And you just share
Thank you,
with
sir. Thank you, sir.
all branches, huh?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Goal, goal, goal.
Ayan.
हो गया
Bye,
बहुत
Ayan.
हो गया
ये
हो गया
सुपु
भाई, हो
ओए
Bye,
सुपु कौन है?
Ayan.
Good
Ayan
night,
कौन
good night, good night, good night, good night.
ये आनो नहीं ये आनो
मैं सुपु नहीं मैं सिंचन हूँ. Good
ऐसी
night.
टॉपर
ए,
ये
हिमोजोल
कौन
का
था?
दोस्त कौन है?
हिमुजोल का दोस्त
नहीं होगा
हिमू
मैं सुपु नहीं हूँ मैं सिंचन हूँ.
ये मजे से बोल रहे हैं ना.
अरे
कौन है?
मैकेनिकल से
उज्जवल ओ मैं लास्टो बुझी पोआ ना हो
पास्कल ट्रायंगल खोलने नहीं की. कॉल करा सारा
कोना
सारा
नेक्स्ट क्लास
पर्सनल कॉल है यार तुझे यार जन को बना है.
ओए शुभम আছে নে শুভম
पास्कल ट्रायंगल खोलने नहीं की.
कोना हो
ओए
ना को
না নেক্সট ক্লাস
ओ
ও হিমুজল শুনাচোন
কোৱা?
এইটো চোৱা ফালে চোৱা
দেখালে চাম অ চোৱা এই সুপু কোন দিলে তুমি যদি সুপদিন ৰয়
ओए कहां पे रे सुप्रदीप कहां पे
ओ भाई
ये आयन ओए आयन चतुर्दी
पतला वीडियो बनाइছিলে देखो
राजदीप
भाई रिकॉर्डिंग तो बंद कर. और राजदीप हवा भाई दिया ना रिकॉर्डिंग तो बंद करो. हाँ, क्या
ए राजदीप
किशन तुम कब ज्वाइन किया? कब ज्वाइन किया?
आएगा सारा ब्रांच मिल.
हम जस्ट 2 मिनट हुआ अभी ज्वाइन किया 2 मिनट हुआ अभी ज्वाइन किया 2 मिनट.
पुनासुन आनंद पुनासुन
वाले
ओ सुभाष दा
बाप
पापा
वाले
ओ
सुभाषित तोपर कौन है?
ये पुआली है गेला
सोनी होगा
वाली है.
ओ ना हिमुजल
अरे अभी तो कैमरा ऑन कर
हिमुजल
दो.
का दोस्त लिखता है राजदीप
सुपु नाम का भी कौन है? सुपु
अभिनव है
अभिनव है वो। सुप्रदीप कहाँ है रे तू?
देखो ना है
लोगों में
बैकग्राउंड तो एकदम हाई फाई
अभी
लग
कौन
रहा
है?
है बैकग्राउंड।
खाना खा रहे हैं
खाना नहीं खा रहा.
ना
ये वाला मेरे को दे दो हम भी लगाए यार।
ये कैसे लगा था?
कैसे वो क्या है वो क्या है क्या वो?
अरे बैकग्राउंड
तो
को
virtual
कुछ कर सकता है
background
उसका बैकग्राउंड
Virtual background.
हाँ
वो बीच में वो राज नाम का कौन आया था?
हिमुजल
नहीं पता हो
ओ हिमुजल
ये आनंद होगा आनंद ही होगा
कोविड-19 कौन है? इतना लड़की है साला इतना इंटेलिजेंट है
ये
वो मरीशा है क्या? पता नहीं।
और राजदीप सुनासुन
एक ही नाम रहता है ना चेहरा मुंह में.
और राजदीप ए लास्ट पे लिखिले फॉर लूप पे लिखिले
वाले के मुंह में एक ही नाम रहता है.
जे i equal to 1 less than equal to 3 এই যে লিখলে যে এটু কেনেকে হলো
ये सुभाष दा टॉपर
क्वेश्चन
I is equal to ice cream.
what day मुझे देखियो ले करो
I is equal to ice cream.
नहीं एकदम लास्ट वर যে আছিল ন লাষ্ট वर জন্য শিকালে তোমার
ओए आई एम चैटर
সর্টিং যে আছিল ন
हाँ, बोल।
সর্টিং और প্রিন্ট पे কেনেকে
नहीं
कैसे है तुम
अरेंजिंग
कैसा है बोलता है. इंसान होता
बढ़िया
है.
हूँ भाई।
2 आंख है 2 कान है 1 नाक है.
ओए
रोबो में सबल है वो.
ओए हिमुजल का दोस्त है राजदीप है तो
हाँ तो हमें तो और कौन है?
ये आनंद
बढ़िया
का
रंजन का दोस्त
ट्यूटोरियल
हम भी है.
लगता है किशन हीरो
आनंद. कौन से
ओए,
क्रिएटर बीच में?
राजदीप पोस्ट दे दो गौरव का फोटो के साथ।
गामोसा
ओए ये स्क्रीनशॉट मारो।
हो गया ओए less than 1 minute left।
हाँ काटना तो हो रहेगा।
पूरा बैच को इनवाइट किया साला, सिर्फ 19 पार्टिसिपेंट, क्या मतलब है ये? 40 क्या
अरे
है,
वाले
कितना
सब रहते हैं।
क्या?
फिर
और
धीरे धीरे वो
100 का बात करते तुम साला, 100 का बात करता है।